Lady Stags itong set na to.
So all in all, meron ng 5 kill blocks in this match. San Sebastian. And consistent sila sa spiking. They also had 12 spikes in that opening set. Almazan. Oh, giving up a free ball to the Lady Stags. De Maculangan. Running attack for Amakatan.
Great play by Di Maculangan. Perfect execution. Yung connection talaga ni Amakatan at Di Maculangan this game. Wow.
One serving none.
De Maculangan getting more and more comfortable as the rookie setter for San Sebastian. Also a beach volleyball player itong si De Maculangan.
Two serving none.
Good serve by De Maculangan.
Alex
But-
Razonable.
A better spike para kay Razonable.
Stepping up to serve. It's George Lut.
Lut at the service line. Good effort by Von De Maculangan. Saan siya pupunta? Binalik kay Marasigan.
Tina
Miscommunication
Marasigan.
there by the Lady Generals. And a good play by Marasigan.
One deck to serve. It's Amakatan.
Tan. Lut. Omapas. Cross court. Von. And Gonzalez gets the point.
That is inside. Point for the Lady
Si
Stags.
Gonzalez yung silent killer naman natin for the
It's
Lady
now four
Stags.
serving one.
Lut. Omapas.
Jen Umapa.
EAC needs more of that.
Powerful hit by Omapas.
It's Alex Razonable. Serving.
No, jump serve para kay Razonable. KJ gets the point.
KJ
I think
Junisho.
that's her 10th point already.
Now up for the serve. It's Tina Marasigan.
Tuloy-tuloy lang mabibigyan na mga middle blockers ng Lady Stags. Panigurado, magiging maganda ang laban na to.
Lut. De Maculangan to Santos. Lut. Good communication by De Maculangan telling Amakatan mine.
Yes.
Santos.
Lalo na kapag inaagawan ng mga setters ng middle blockers.
Kasi kukunin na ni Amaka eh.
Yes. Pero
And then,
nakapwesto
yeah.
naman si De Maculangan. So, mas okay nang sigawan niya na sa akin na to.
So that made that Santos spike possible, the communication. Janicio, yeah, they're communicating eh. Sabi ni
Yes.
KJ, ako na. Siya na nag-set para kay Kat.
Hindi yun naman yung pinaka-importante.
Oh, what a drop by Kat Santos.
Santos.
A placement, drop ball by Kat Santos. Kitang-kita niya na wala doon yung defense.
Now, Mika, it looks like it's EAC
Now
who's
seven,
lost.
72.
Coach Roger described the feeling as if they're lost. But after the first set, parang yung EAC yung nawawala sa wisyo.
na wala yung momentum sa kanila after that second set loss.
Santos with momentum on their side. Back row, popped up by Tina. Here's Kat. Santos. Lut tossing it up, and Omapas gets the point.
Jen Omapas.
Favorite target ni Omapas ang down the line. She knows na nandun si Amakatan.
On deck to serve, it's Jaja Villena.
Jaja Villena, you see her numbers, 4 points. Santos. Now EAC is starting to string up some points together, kaya naman napatayo si Coach Roger.
Nakapamayawang na.
And Coach Roger making a substitution here. Backup setter Adia is
It's now
ready
4,
to
serving 7.
check in at excited na si Adia maglaro. Si Marga Adia.
That's a legal attack.
Nakulangan
Side Lady
is in
Stacks.
the back
Point goes to
row.
the Lady Generals.
Kaya natawagan siya
Substitution
ng
for the Lady
violation.
Stacks. Number 13
And the
out.
point
Number
for the
5,
Lady Generals.
Raja in.
Nakakatuwa tong si Adia. Also a rookie setter. Smiling.
I know.
Excited na
Cute,
excited.
cute.
Oo nga, excited na excited maglaro eh. So here's her chance. Marga Adia.
Mabuti nga yung mga ganyan, Anton, kesa naman yung mga nahihiya o ayaw pumasok, di ba?
Hey, ganda sana nun. Razonable. Good defense though. Oh!
Off the
Kat
ball.
Almazan
Kat
breaks
Almazan.
down the wall.
Nababantayan na nila yung quick attacks ni Jonicio.
Isa sa mga pinakamahirap pigilan.
6:37.
A Kat Santos spike. Wow, this is 3 straight points by EAC.
Mukhang nakukuha na nila yung momentum.
Wow, nadedepensahan nila yung mga palo ni Santos, ha? Something to look out for. Marasigan. Oh! It
And
goes long.
Attack goes out.
error by Marasigan. Tawa na lang si Coach Roger.
Ang layo ng
It's
hinabol
now
ng
7,
EAC, ha?
serving all.
Yes.
Wow, wow, wow. What a match. Both teams really hungry for that first win. Villena. Adia to Santos. Not over. And EAC will head into this technical timeout with a 1-point lead. Glycel Galpo will have a report for us when we return on GTV.
Kobe.
Ah?
Kobe.
Kobe.
Kobe Mon eh.
Kobe Mon?
Yeah.
Ah, di ba? Meron naman sa sa NCAA. Hindi, pero syempre, you wanna invite, of course, the best basketball minds.
No, of course.
The best sports minds, not just in the country, but, you know,
Yeah.
we gotta dream big, bro.
Yeah.
So,
International.
in terms of dream guests, I've said this before, my dream guest has always been Coach Ramil De Jesus. I don't think there has been like a one-on-one interview. At least I haven't come across one or kahit sa
Still back to the ball. We are back at the ball game here at the NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament. Ano ba ang meaning sa inyo ng gustong manalo? Yan ang bunga ni Coach Rod Palmero sa kanyang kupunan earlier moving into the third set. During the huddle, he reiterated the main objective for today, which is to secure everything. Ika niya, ipagpatuloy nyo ang mga bagay na alam nyong kaya nyo naman. He ended by reminding them to not give up, saying, mas lamang ang matatag sa rally. Huwag kayong puro damdamin. Para naman sa panig ng Lady Stags, ang paalala ni Coach Roger is to coordinate, minimize their errors, and communicate more inside the court. Ani niya, sa tuwing lumalamang tayo, binabawi nyo naman sa errors, ilaban nyo naman yan. Yan muna sa ngayon, Anton and Mika.
Yung kapit na sinabi ni Coach Rod, kitang-kita naman natin yung 6-0 run ng EAC. Pero naputol yun ni Kat Santos. Agad-agad.
It's Juna
Pero yung
Gonzalez.
6-0 run na yun, sayang eh.
I know. Let's see kung ma-maintain nila yung ganong momentum.
Actually, napansin doon na nag-bathroom break si Coach Roger Goreyev. And lumamang ng dalawa yung kanyang team.
So dapat hindi na siya umalis muna.
On deck to serve.
Dikit tong set na to.
Jen Omamas.
Pareho na nagkakarga ng service, parehong nakakadepensa. Let's see.
Yung mga palo ni Almazan, may galit eh. May galit sa bola. Santos. Lut. Almazan. Lut. Almazan. Santos with a drop.
Good defense.
Santos.
Zach Aaron.
Sabi ni Coach Roger na bakit binibigay sa back row? Medyo alanganin yung set na yon. Sayang kasi Anton, free ball na sa kanila yon eh. Pagkakataon na ibigay dito sa front row, nandito naman si Kat Santos.
Ooh.
Too wide. Service goes out.
Feeling ko magkakatalo sa errors dito.
Yes. Kasi kapag nagkakarga sila ng service, ang laki ng chance na magka-error sila eh.
Almazan. Oh, Kat Santos denies.
That's a block.
Almazan.
Kill block brother by the Lady Stags.
Kat versus Kat.
Cat with a K and Cat with a C.
Yep, and the one with the K won on that sequence. Lut to Almazan. May pambawi.
Off the block. Kat Almazan.
Almazan targeting the center. Hindi rin masyadong naka-close yung block dito.
Scott Almazan.
Ah.
Survey.
Saktong-sakto sa gitna nila yung bola.
Grabe. Santos, cross court. Almazan from the back row. Too much.
Strong. Attack goes out.
Parang hindi rin masyadong ready si Almazan sa set na yon.
Stepping up to serve. It's Kat Santos.
Santos. Lut. And Razonable
Alex
gets the
Rosanove.
point.
Medyo kanina pa nahihirapan ang Lady Stags na isara yung block nila dito. Hindi nakapasok yung kamay ni Amakatan kaya kanina pa tumatalsik yung bola.
Palaban din tong batang to, si Alex Razonable.
Yes.
Santos. Lut gives it back to Alex.
Alex Rosanove.
Nagkatinginan ng players ng Lady Stags doon. Nagtuturoan sila actually.
Timeout.
Nawalan ng tao
College Athletics.
sa zone 5.
13-11 in favor of Emilio Aguinaldo College.
Kaya sa inyo, nalilito kayo. Ano ba kinalilito nyo? Ha? Oo nga, ay sino tao doon? O ay nasaan ka? Anong ginagawa mo ron? Ano mangyayari sa depensa nyo kapag ka nalilito kayo dyan? Daig nyo pa yung suminghot ng ano eh. Asiton.
Ayan na si Coach Roger. May mga hirit-hirit na. Pero Anton, kanina pa nga naman kasi nagkakaroon ng hesitation, ng miscommunication ng Lady Stags dito. Nawawalan pa ng tao sa isang pwesto, di ba?
Sa replay nga, tinitignan ko yung paa ni Kat eh. Because nag-try siya mag-laterals. And, well, masyado na mabilis yung bola para sa kanya.
I know.
Marasigan. Alex. Amakatan. Wow.
I know. Kitang-kita mo sa approach niya na gustong-gusto niya paluin. Makapunto sa set na yon.
Solid, quick attack for Amakatan. And cuts the lead to 1. Yun lang. Adia throws this away.
Another momentum killer.
On deck to serve, it's George Lutz. Substitution for the Lady Stars. 5 out. Number 13.
So, Coach Roger Goreyev
Dimakulangan in.
brings back Von Dimakulangan. Lut gets the ace.
That's an ace. For
I
George
love their
Lutz.
celebration. Yan yung kailangan nila ngayon. Makakuha ng service ace.
15, serving 12.
Lalo na, lumalaki yung namang ng EAC ngayon. They're up by 3. Lut. Oh! Yun lang!
Same scenario. Another service error. Hindi ka talaga kasi makakalayo kung sa service mag-error ka na agad.
Sayang, nagpo-pull away ng EAC. Lut. Umapas, cross court. Von tossing it up to Tina Marasigan. Yun lang. Too much angle. Too much wrist action.
It's
And
the second
EAC
technical timeout of the
heads
set.
into the technical
Current
timeout
count,
with a
16 to
3-point
13
lead.
in favor of Emilio Aguinaldo College.
Basketball junkie ako eh. So, Jowo, Coach Jolie pa. Yung mga yan, yung mga old school. Kasi yan yung mga nakalakihan ko na dream. So, medyo lumalabas na yung part ako of that older generation eh. Who believes that.
Hindi ko yung generation.
Hindi mo na generation, but kayo TikTok generation.
Wow!
Kasama na kita. Kasi yun yung conversation natin kanina. Ako, Jaworski tsaka Jolie pa yung but again, if going back to that, ako yun. Kasi,
Our management committee representatives, Frank Gusi of the University of Perpetual Health System Delta, chairman of the volleyball tournament, Attorney Jonas Cabochan of San Pedro University, nakikita ko rin dyan si Sir Divine, Melchor Divina of Mapua University,
Now on deck to serve. It's
Grabe yung,
Alex Gonzalez.
karera patungo sa Final Four, Mapua. By the way, if you guys are unaware, ako nagulat din ako dito, Letran beating LPU this morning. So, unang talo ng LPU.
In 4 sets. Good decision. Alam niya walang tao sa zone 1. Yung mga rare times na nakakapunto si mga libero natin.
Kung i-input din lang yun sa scorecard, no?
Paramihan sila.
May ganyan eh. Naalala ko, may isang match akong kinover. Mga naka-4 na puntos ata yung libero.
Totoo. Tapos sinahagis niya lang sa likod.
Oo. Alam mo yun? Yung parang sobrang swerte.
I know.
Marasigan gets the point.
Marasigan challenging the blockers. And again, hindi rin naka-establish yung kamay ng blockers ng Lady Generals dito.
Lut. Chacha Villena puts it away.
Hindi na ko pa hinahanap na bigyan ni Lut si Jaja Villena dito. Yung mga middle attacks talaga yung babawian for both teams.
Momentum shift. Ngayon, ang momentum nasa EAC. Gonzalez way underneath the ball on that spike. No check ball call.
Nasa ilalim ng bola si Gonzalez.
Timeout. St. Sebastian College Athletics. Current count 19-14 in favor of Emilio Aguinaldo College.
Eto na naman tayo eh. Laro nyo, kahit ano na lang eh. Bara-bara na lang. Kung basta mapalo, paluin lang. Wala naman kayong objective. Doon mo sa ibabaw paluin. Hindi ka naman nagsisimula.
Coach Roger reminding the girls na lagyan ng variation ng kanilang mga palo. Katulad ng last sequence kanina na nasa ilalim na si Gonzalez. Siguro pwede naman niyang gawan muna ng paraan, lalo na kung wala ka sa pwesto.
Good read by Amakatan. Pero maski siya, hindi sigurado eh. Napangiti na lang siya eh. Kaya sabi mo kanina, mas okay nang pag hindi ka sure, kunin mo na lang.
Oo.
Ooh!
Wow!
Bounce ball. Kat Almazan.
What a powerful hit by Almazan. Alam mo, saktong-sakto rin talaga na nakatapat siya dito sa setter ng Lady Stags. Kayang-kaya niyang ibabawan.
5-point lead now for EAC. Service error.
Again. Sila mismo yung pumuputol ng momentum nila.
It's KJ Jimmy Show. Serving.
KJ. Lut. Almazan. Santos. And Kat Santos gets the point.
Kat Santos targeting that cross court.
Serving 20.
Free ball mapupunta sa San Sebastian. Di mo kulangan. Amakatan puts it away.
Kitang-kita ko yung hanap ni Dabakulangan kay Amakatan. Yung silip niya.
Timeout. Lady Generals.
What a
Score,
hit by
22-18
Amakatan.
in favor of Emilio Aguinaldo College.
Siguro niyo muna yung pasa. Ang dami na naging mali, oh. Di ba sinabi ko, pag nagkamali na move on, simulan sa pasa. Eh gusto niyo umatake agad. Yun, nakapasa, umatake ka ng pinigilan mo. Ano mangyari? Being aggressive, dapat ginagawa yun ng tama. Kung kailan dapat.
Nagsimula to sa service error ng Lady Generals. Kaya unti-unti na umahabol ang San Sebastian.
18, serving 20.
Dalawa na lang ang hinahabol ng kupunan ni Coach Roger Correa dito, KJ. Lut. Almazan. Lut. Almazan, second chance. Vaughn to Amaka. Cordial was there. Back row. Santos. Oh! Isa na lang ang lamang
That's a point
ng
for the Lady
EAC.
Stags.
Yung first ball, dun pa rin nahihirapan ang Lady Generals, and it's a
19,
4-0
20.
run.
Lut. Oh, what a set.
Attack error.
Sayang. Sayang, hindi pumasok. Usually, kapag nasa back row ka scored, Actually, masyado silang malapit. Hindi nila inaabangan yung long ball.
It's George Lut now serving at set point.
Set point for EAC. Napako sa 22 ang San Sebastian. Lut. Oh! Poor first ball. Lut with a chance to finish. Razonable. May check ball ba? Wala!
Too strong. Attack goes out.
Medyo mababa rin yung set ni Lut doon.
Wow, San
On
Sebastian
deck to serve. It's
with a chance to
Amakatan.
send this one to an extension. Team captain Amakatan at the service line. Oh no!
I think
That's a
it's a
positional
rotation
fault at the side of
error.
the Lady Generals.
Medyo nagkagulo
Point
nga
goes to
sila
the Lady
before pa
Stars.
mag-serve si Amakatan.
What a
Ladies and
time
gentlemen, we're going to an
to
extended
commit
play.
a mental mistake like that. And now we go to an extension. 24-all ang ating talaan dito sa set number 3. Lut. Omapas, cross court. Demakulangan, says Ales, papalo si Marasigan. Lut, kanino siya pupunta?
Sayang!
Tina Marasigan.
Sinubukan talaga ni Lut na ibigay sa middle blocker pero kapos yung set.
Timeout. Emilio Aguinaldo College. Score 25-24 in favor of San
Ikaw
Sebastian
naman, pwede
College
ka naman bumaba
Recollectors.
eh. Ba't hindi ka bumaba? Ba't lumayo ka pa? Nasa frontline ka, di ba? Ba't lumatras ka pa? Hindi kayo nag-iisip. Gusto naming manalo. Kami gusto naming manalo. Kayo ayaw nyo.
Yung sinabi talaga doon ni Coach Rod na kami gusto naming manalo. Diba? Medyo disappointing nga naman yung naging error doon. Very crucial error ng players.
Dalawang set
It's
point yung
Amakatan now
na-save
serving at set
ng
point.
San Sebastian doon. At ngayon, sila ang may pagkakataon na tapusin ang set. Lut. Running attack para kay Jaja Villena. Lut goes to Omapas. Popped up by Santos. Demakulangan to Gonzalez.
Let's check ball.
Point goes to the Lady
And San
Stars.
Sebastian steals set number 3 away from EAC. We'll be back for set number 4.